Hey everyone, we are here on the Crown Princess in Alaska, going to cruise Alaska, and I'm going to take you on a quick room tour. We are on deck 12, the Aloha deck, in room 747. It's a balcony stateroom, so let's go on a tour. When you walk up with your medallion, it automatically knows who you are and unlocks your door. So first thing I noticed when you walk in here is that there's this really large area for suitcases, which is really nice to have. And then here is the bathroom. Let's see if we can get the light on, maybe. Don't know where the light is. But there's the bathroom. So the sink and the toilet and the shower are all here together in one room. They do have the shower gel and shampoo and conditioner. So if you want to leave those larger toiletries at home, so have a full size hand soap and lotion. Okay. And what's in here? Oh, this is your shelving. Safe. You've got some shelves up here with your life vests. And so since we're traveling, just as two companions, friends, we have the beds separate. You can request to have them together. There's a couple of drawers here. There's no plugs right by the bed. But two twins here. You have a little desk area. And then you've got a couple of plugs there. Some shelves, got your lamps with some, you can turn them on and off right there, looks like. You got a hairdryer right here because they like you to use that over here. It's plugged in, I guess, through the back, so that'll be interesting. You got all your information here with hours. We've got our shore excursions that are already here ready for us, and so there's that. And then over here you have your television, like a little mini bar. We do have the drink package on this cruise, so I don't know if that's standard in every room or not, but and then down here is the fridge, which is stocked. Like I said, I don't know if that's standard on every room or not because we do have the drink package, so we'll have to find out. We have a very nice ship artwork right here in the room. So there's that. And like I mentioned, we do have a balcony. We are in the very back of the ship. Let's see if I can figure out the door. There we go. We're in the very back of the ship. So I don't know if this is a standard balcony, but we have our two chairs here. And then here we are. Lovely city of Vancouver. Lovely view. So that's it, guys, for our room tour. It's pretty basic. It's a balcony room. You can have double beds or full-size bed together. There's no bunks or anything in that like that in this room because we are just two travelers. But this is on deck 12 with a balcony stateroom. If you guys like room tours and stuff like that, make sure you like our YouTube channel and that you turn on notifications. You get notified every time we have a new video. Until next time, we'll see you later.